Hi, I'm Karen Leos. I lead sales and professional services for Tellabs. Supporting Tellabs customers, resellers, and systems integrators has been my primary initiative for 19 years. As more and more devices get added to your network, device interoperability concerns, network demands, and security worries all increase. For these reasons, I strongly believe having the right product and features to provide that network connectivity are critical. However, assessing the services that complement the product is equally important when choosing an IT solution. Having the right partner to help support you all the way from your planning and design phase to implementation, test, and post-production support is key to making your project a success. Now let's talk about the support avenues that are available to you. There are three main ways Tellabs products are designed, implemented, and supported in an end customer network. First, customers may elect to purchase our products from a systems integrator who sells Tellabs products and is also certified to implement them. These companies are Tellabs certified deployment partners. Becoming a certified deployment partner starts with an assessment. This assessment includes, but is not limited to, the system design and detailed engineering capabilities of the partner, project management staff, tools and equipment, fiber optic installation, testing, and certification processes, as well as quality assurance and customer feedback programs. These partners are required to maintain a minimum level of certified staff in the areas of network planning and design and Tellabs optical LAN certification. Digital badges are issued related to these credentials with a minimum requirement to refresh every 2 years. Additionally, certified deployment partners are required to utilize Tellabs on-site mentoring for their initial project and have partner support agreements in place to provide them with technical assistance as needed during the deployment phase of your project. Second, there are circumstances where our systems integrators or resellers may elect to approach a project jointly with Tellabs. In these situations, the implementation may be augmented by Tellabs, where the systems integrator elects to subcontract pieces of the project to us to supplement their staff as part of the larger project. In this scenario, the partner serves as the primary project management interface to the customer or general contractor, backed by Tellabs expertise and support. Third and lastly, in some circumstances, the end customer and Tellabs have a direct relationship, and the customer may elect to work directly with Tellabs related to their design and implementation. In this scenario, Tellabs is the primary interface to the end customer or general contracting staff and responsible for the end product service deliverables to the customer. Tellabs may deliver these services directly or may subcontract pieces to our certified vendors while maintaining oversight. Let's follow through the plan, build, and operate model to talk a bit about the services available to you for each phase. The planning phase of the project may in fact be the very most important step. Setting a vision and expectation of what success looks like to you helps all of the experts create the roadmap of how to get there. The design plan needs to consider the building materials, pathways, space, power requirements of devices, and how equipment will be positioned and installed. For example, making the correct O&T selections based on technical requirements is important, but aesthetics and accessibility to the post-production support staff is as well. The logical planning to understand how devices will traverse the network and the protocols used will assist in the VLAN mapping and system profile requirements. While Tellabs professional services can assist, it starts with making sure that the team is trained. Tellabs offers a 3-day network planning and design curriculum targeted at network architects, network design consultants, and technical sales staff associated with this phase. Our network planning and design course can be delivered virtually online, and open gratis sessions are offered throughout the year for registration. After attending this course, students will be able to identify the features and functionality of the Tellabs optical LAN solution, understand the layer 1 design considerations such as remote powering, O&T mounting options, optical budgets, and much more. They will also be able to perform equipment planning to assemble a bill of materials. And lastly, they'll learn the necessary elements related to EMS and provisioning planning. Now that you've learned about the supporting training, let's talk about how Tellabs can supplement your staff. Tellabs professional services team can assist throughout the project. Some of our services include site surveys, high-level and low-level design services or design review services, palm protection planning, as well as layer 1 planning and design and implementation. Whether you're looking for a turnkey solution or you would simply like the comfort of a design review, we can assist. With design review services, a Tellabs expert will look at your physical and logical designs, review your VLAN strategy, and make profile recommendations to ensure the system is provisioned in an optimal way. During the build phase, the implementation team gets to test the physical and logical plans as they begin to put them into practice. First, let's discuss the Tellabs training that supports this phase of the project. Tellabs Optical LAN Deployment Certification is a 5-day course. It is targeted at deployment, support, and maintenance technicians who are responsible for installing and turning up the Tellabs system. The class is available in our Texas facility and has been modified for virtual, remote, and on-site delivery methods as well. The certification class is architected to provide students with plenty of time to get hands-on experience, with about 75% of the course being hands-on. After completion of this course, students will understand the product features. They will be able to physically install, ground, and power the system, turn up and test the system, configure links, ONTs, and ports, create service profiles, as well as perform field maintenance procedures. Tellabs offers a full suite of services, including project management to support the build phase of the implementation. Some of our services include layer 1 installation, labeling and testing, physical installation, panorama installation, system commissioning and turn up, DoD hardening and STIG checklist support, test plan creation and acceptance testing execution, as well as post-cutover support. Now that you've completed the build or implementation phase of your project, you're ready to transition to production support. Tellabs has 2 different training options that support this phase. The Tellabs Operations, Provisioning, and Maintenance Training class is a 3-day course that is targeted at technical support or NOC staff responsible for the day-to-day operations of the system. This class is delivered in our Texas classroom, on-site, or via virtual online mechanisms. An advanced troubleshooting option is available that adds additional focus for fiber handling and troubleshooting, which is really great for those who are new to operating a fiber network. Additionally, an optional test is available for this class. After completing this class, students will be able to perform provisioning procedures for the Tellabs Optical LAN services using the Panorama PON EMS, and they'll also be able to perform equipment management and monitoring procedures using Panorama. Lastly, they'll be capable of performing trouble clearing procedures of common problems that you might encounter in the network. Now that your system is installed, tested, and you're trained, it's time to move into production mode. The final piece of our operate model is to ensure that you have an ongoing support mechanism in place to help keep things operating smoothly. Tellabs' award-winning technical support team has years of experience and a repeatable history of delivering positive results for our partners and customers. Our support packages are market-based with bundles targeted at business enterprise, federal government, education, and hospitality markets. Some of the features include differing access to technical support with online case management, access to software features and fixes, on-site support options, extended hardware warranty services, as well as advanced features such as software upgrade installation, system audits, and bundled training seats. For more information on Tellabs training, deployment partner programs, and support agreement options, please visit the Tellabs Nexus portal at nexus.tellabs.com. If you're interested in recorded training overviews and technical tutorials, please visit our YouTube channel. Simply navigate to YouTube and search for Tellabs Optical LAN Training. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date as we release new video modules. Thank you for your time.